Welcome back to the channel, guys. Something that has come up in the comments on some of the other videos are, where are all of the GS-F actually located? So you've seen the spreadsheet. So now we're going to go ahead and dive in a little bit deeper as to where are they? Because if you live in, for example, Minnesota, there's a pretty small likelihood that you're actually going to see them. So this is specifically targeted towards the US locations. So here we go. And at absolutely no surprise to anyone, the bulk of them are in California, Texas, and Florida, with 584, and these are the remaining GS-F. So this is not including everything that's salvaged, exported, or otherwise written off. This is what's left as of the beginning of 2025 or the end of 2024. 584 in California, 361 in Texas, and a little over 250 in Florida. The rest of the states, you start to get along the East Coast, and there's about 30 to 50 per state over there. And there's 4 states that don't have any GS-F, and that would be North Dakota, West Virginia, Vermont, and Maine. So you get to the Midwest, Nebraska, there's 2 GS-F, and South Dakota, there's 1. Colorado, 17, Wyoming, 2. You know, these are rear-wheel drive sedans, not extremely well. They don't do extremely well in winter, but there are a few up there. I would say it's pretty likely that the majority of those are not winter-driven. So let me ask you this. Have you guys ever seen a GS-F on the road if you don't own one? It's pretty rare to see one. I live in little old East Texas, Tyler, Texas, about an hour east of Dallas, town of about 100,000 people, and there are 3 here. In Dallas, there's a couple dozen. There's probably more in hiding, but I can say that I've only ever seen 2 others on the road. So like I said, kind of a short video today, but I just wanted to show you where they all are located. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon.